This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 280 QBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Teagan Onyx interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.